So many times I've heard the complaints from the parents that the child is always slouching and sitting, or the child is not able to do the visual tracking properly, and many times the child is unable to perform the midline activities also. So there are so many issues with the child. The reason may be the presence of STNR reflex. So what is STNR? It is symmetrical tonic neck reflex. So STNR, it appears at around 4 months and it integrates by 6 to 9 months. So after this integration, you will see that the child will be able to crawl, child will be able to perform the visual tracking and the midline crossing. But if STNR is still present, then the child will not be able to do these activities. So how to check whether the STNR is still present or not? Come, check out with me. You can give a comfortable sitting position to the child, and you can ask the child, or you can only help the child in bending the head down. So when the head is going down, you will see that the hands will also bend and the legs will straighten. Same way, when the head is taken back, that time you will see that the hands will become straight and the legs will bend. This is the STNR reflex testing. And this you can even check in crawl position also, in quadruped position also, or else sitting is also a better position. If you see this positive, then the STNR is still present. So it will cause the problems in the hand and body movements. The dissociation between hand and body won't come. So child will face difficulties in this crawling and visual tracking and all those things. So how to integrate this? Come, let's see the reflex exercises for STNR integration. The first one is the puppy stretch, in which you have to ask the child to come in that crawl position, and the child's neck will be stretched up, and while coming down, the child has to sit on the heels and touch the head down. So make sure that when coming down, the child will sit on the heels and touch the head down. Second is the cat and cow, in which you have to ask the child to stretch up and make a hollow, look down and make a hump. This has to be done in a correct position with proper guidance, so that it is very effective for the back and the spinal muscles. So just make sure that you do at least 10 repetitions of each exercise to get the effective results. You can do even twice in a day. It is very good for the back and for the spine. The next is the head nod crawl, in which you have to ask the child to crawl in such a way that the child has to constantly look up and down while crawling. This is very effective for the coordination. The next is the bird dog crawl, in which you have to ask the child to lift the opposite sides of the limbs, like left hand and right leg, hold for at least 5 seconds, then come down, and then repeat with the right hand and left leg. This also you can do for 10 times in each. It is also very effective for the core, for the back. Hope now the STNR reflex is clear to everyone, and in case of any queries, please mail on the given mail ID. And don't forget to hit the like button if you have liked my video, and please subscribe for more such informative videos. Jai Hind.